Hello, everybody. Today I'm here with lovely Kuljeet from Pure Hair and Beauty Salon in Watney. So let's talk about Kuljeet and know more about her journey. So welcome, Kuljeet.
Thank you so much, Tony. Thanks a lot.
So please tell our lovely audience about your journey, how you started.
Actually, myself, Kuljeet Kaur from Pure Beauty and Hair Salon, 301 El Botany Road, Golfsland. Actually, my journey was gonna be a very tough, actually, I must say. And I was beauty therapist in India,
Right.
and I did Shehnaz Hussain courses there.
Yeah.
So then I moved here, and I was moved here 2009.
Wow.
And 2010 I decided to do my professional.
Yeah.
Then I get the job in Shehnaz Hussain
Oh,
Botany.
nice.
I think that time Bindu was the owner there, and she
Mhm.
is really very good lady,
Nice.
and she taught me so many new things which is in New Zealand, because I don't know about the New Zealand schedule, how they gonna
Yeah,
do it,
yeah.
everything. And she taught me very nicely, very good things.
Mhm.
And after 3 to 4 years, I was very sick just because of my back pain.
Oh.
I quit my job.
Mhm.
Then after 2 months, I was on the bed.
Right.
I can't move anything else.
Oh.
It's so tough for me.
Oh my
And
God.
every day I'm crying, and I thought when I'm gonna stand up and doing these things again.
Mhm.
Slowly I do yogas. So slowly I do swimming.
Right.
Then little bit I'm gonna be get up from the bed.
Mhm.
After that, I told my husband,
Mhm.
can I start from garage?
Oh, okay.
And he said, are you sure you can do it? I said, yes, I will do it.
Right.
He said, okay. Then I said, I'm not gonna go anywhere. I'm
Mhm.
not gonna open any website. I'm not gonna do anything else.
Right.
But if the people knows me from 3 years, from
Mm.
Shehnaz Hussain,
Mhm.
if they know me,
Mm.
they definitely come back
Come
to
back,
me,
yeah.
because I trust my work.
Yes.
Then I start from home. Sometime I go to supermarket. Somebody knows me and they hear my voice. They come and they say, can you do it? I said, yes, I will do. Then I start from home.
Yeah.
And after that, 5 years, I was working from home.
Right.
And I built up lots of clients. And then I decided it's hard for me to do it everything,
Yeah.
beauty and hair, everything. Then I said, I go for
That at that time you were ready
for
the salon.
my own salon. That was my goal,
Yeah.
actually. That
Okay.
was my goal, when I'm gonna open my one. Since when I was married, that
Yeah.
time I was thinking about that. I want to open my one.
Wow.
And then 2019,
Yeah.
it's a COVID pandemic.
Mm-hmm.
That time, I just roaming from front of the Botany Road. I saw this phone number. I told my husband, can I have a look this shop?
Yeah.
He said, it's a pandemic,
Yeah.
COVID.
Mm.
Are you crazy? I said, no, I want to be. Then I saw the shop, and after 1 week, it's again lockdown.
Oh my God.
Then my husband
Yeah.
said, still you
You
want?
want
I
that?
said, yes. And that time it's lockdown, that time I'm just create my shop by myself.
Yeah.
I'm gonna make it this one, I'm gonna make it that one. I'm designing my shop,
Right.
interior my shop.
Yeah.
I do that.
Okay.
And then when it's open, and then my mind, it's gonna be little bit confused that time. It's
Okay.
very hard time, actually, that time.
Oh.
Then my husband told me,
Mm.
decision is yours.
Mm.
I will help you,
Mm-hmm.
but decision is yours.
Yours. Okay.
If you want to open it,
Mm.
it's your hard work.
Yeah.
If it's not working, or it's not gonna be going very well,
Yeah.
then also decision is yours.
Yours.
But I trust you.
Yeah.
You go for it. If it's going very well, everyone said it's a really good decision.
Yeah.
If it's not going well, everyone said, who told you to take this decision that time?
That time. Yeah.
Then I said, okay, you support me? He said, yes, I will support you. He said,
Mm.
I will go for it.
Ah.
Then here I am.
Oh wow!
For
wow.
4 years.
That's amazing. It's all your hard work,
Yeah.
and your dedication,
Yeah.
because you have a dream in in your vision that I want to have my own salon.
Salon, yeah.
So that's so good, and your dreams come true.
True.
Yeah.
That's my goal, and it's done. I did it. Just because of, actually, I'm thankful to my all the clients, honest clients,
Yeah.
loyal clients. They help me a lot to growing my business.
Absolutely.
And I'm blessed with my staff as well.
Yeah.
They all are working here like they have this salon. They
Yeah.
build up all
Yeah.
these things. So I'm really blessed with
Absolutely.
everywhere.
Absolutely. It's a very big blessing when you have a good support from your clients.
Yeah, that's right.
Okay, Guljeet, it was such an exciting story and exciting journey. So, Guljeet, as I know that you are into beauty industry from last 20 years.
That's right.
So, tell us more about your services, what you offer in your clinic.
Actually, we offer for hairs.
Yeah.
We do all highlights, global colors,
Right.
Organic keratins,
Yeah.
organic colors.
Wow.
Everything it's gonna be, because as you know, my salon name is Pure.
Absolutely.
So I just prefer all the organic things. And when I open this salon, my hair products is totally organic. Right?
Yeah.
For the beauty, I have that time only limited stock because I told you that it's a COVID going on,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
So that time I have little bits organic products, but
Yeah.
like some Serenaz Hussein products, all this stuff. These are organic, so I just prefer that one.
Yeah.
But I want New Zealand brand, you know?
Yeah.
New Zealand brand.
Yeah.
So which I'm gonna trust a lot, blindly trust for the products
Yeah.
and for the company as well. Like
Absolutely.
sometimes you have two products and then they said no, we don't have.
Oh,
Limited.
yes.
It's limited stock.
Yeah.
We don't have it.
Yeah.
So that's why I thought if I go for some like that product,
Yeah.
which is organic, extract with the rose sips oil and
Yeah.
extract with the plants,
Plants
everything.
and, yeah.
So I want that one, right?
Mm.
Then one of my staff,
Yeah.
she told me about your Cathay organic
Oh,
products.
nice.
Then I thought, okay, I'll just have a try first, and
yeah.
then we just call you.
Yes.
She have your number.
Okay.
Yeah, and she gave me your number. I called you.
Yeah.
Then I get the products as well, and the products feedback is
It's
awesome.
awesome. Thank you.
I never, and they just come inside the salon. They saw the poster. They said, Cathy products.
Okay.
You have called Cathy products because in New Zealand everybody knows. I must say 75% to 80% people they know about the Cathy organic
Awesome.
products. Yeah.
That's such a
So
lovely
they just check.
thing.
They just check online. They bring the pictures. Sometimes they saw
nice.
the posters. Yeah, they just come and grab the
Grab
product.
the product.
We don't need to tell anything about the Cathy products. They
Right.
know about that. What's that?
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow. Thank you. Thank you for sharing. And it makes us proud.
Because I'm proud too, because we have a very very nice product we
Yeah.
have, and it's safe products.
Thank
That's
you.
the main thing. Yeah.
Thank you for sharing that. I will come up to that part later on. But first, I would love to ask you a few things about the hair spa. So, what exactly you do in hair spa? Because I know that you are really popular in that.
Yeah.
I mean, some people ask me, okay, do you know any good person who do hair spa?
Yes, we
And
do.
because I have seen your lot of videos on your Instagram and Facebook page as well. So that was the question in my mind that I need to ask you about that thing. So yeah, tell us more about
Yes,
that.
Tony. Yes, it's our hair spa is very popular in basically that it's in a little bit part of the Asian India,
Right.
right? Because there's in this industry, in this in New Zealand also, it's lots of spa. The people do protein treatments, but the spa it's the totally different. In spa we do use the very organic oils
Right.
with the herbs.
Yeah.
Okay, we put that oil for 15 to 20 minutes. We massage the head, neck, arms, everything
Yeah.
from the back, right?
Wow.
And after 15 to 20 minutes, we just clients relax, and then we wash her hair.
Yeah.
When we wash the hair, we use the organic herbal shampoos.
Right.
Okay, and then we put the steam.
Right.
And after that, we put the L'Oreal hair spa
Yeah.
with the concern of the client.
Right.
Like some people have a hair fall,
Yeah.
some people have a dandruff, some
Yeah.
people have a just the nourishing.
Nourishing. Yeah.
So we take the sparkling, we put
Mhm.
the concentrate, which is the concern of the client.
Right.
We use that one, and we merge from scalp to till the end of the bottom hairs.
Okay.
We just merge it for a 15 minutes,
Yeah.
and then we put the steam on.
Wow.
And after that, we wash her hair with the same organic
Organic.
shampoo, and then it's gonna be done. Because we don't do full dry the hair,
Right.
because of spa treatment. That is
Right.
the treatment.
Mhm.
If it's the treatment, we
Mhm.
don't put any heat, too much heat, and
Mhm.
all this stuff. So we just dry the water drops, and
Yeah.
then it's done. And it's
Wow.
gonna be amazing treatment
Very
for the
nice.
hairs.
Yeah, it feels so relaxing.
Yes,
to
it is. It is.
It is, yeah. And so it helps with the hair fall problem. It helps with
Dandruff
dandruff
and nourishing.
and nourishment.
Yeah.
Ah, nice. So if somebody is doing hair color, so is it good for them as well?
Yes, it is good for that. Like,
Right.
You know,
Okay.
color. It's some people they use box dye. Some people they use high chemical
Colors.
and, colors, and some people they do henna as well. Right?
Yeah.
But henna or colors makes little bit dry hairs,
Mm.
and some people have after that some people have a very dry scalp.
Dry scalp.
Then
Yeah.
the problems start for dandruff. Then the problems start for hair fall.
Mhm.
And no nourishing, nothing else.
Mhm.
But some people, like some clients, they want to fade up about the straightening and
Yeah.
the keratin.
Okay.
But hair spa is the best option
best
for
option.
the
Oh,
yeah,
nice.
best option for the hairs.
Yeah. So yeah, see, if you are looking for any of your hair concern, so Kuljeet is here to help you with all your hair needs. So she used organic hair color, she used the organic oils, and also do lovely hair spa massage, which is like from ancient India. So if you want to try that ancient Indian massage, come and experience at Pure Hair and Beauty, located in Botany. So next I'm gonna talk about Kathy Organics. Obviously, you told me about the whole thing that you really love the products.
Yeah.
So I want to know about your experience working with our company and any particular products which are your favorite.
Mhm.
Can you please tell our lovely audience about that too?
Sure. Actually, I'm very happy with you guys. Like whenever I'm gonna order products, you guys never say it's out of stock. We
Thank
don't
you.
have it. Like and every time I'm gonna order, and it's the order or the courier. It's gonna be every time it's on time, never delay, never.
Thank you.
And I must say I'm big fan for your Marula Kathy organic product,
Okay.
which is anti-aging as well.
Right.
And
So is this the one which
yeah,
is
this
here?
one, it's an anti-aging serum.
Okay.
In this serum, you can see the extracts of the rosemary oil,
Yes.
and which helps for your fine line wrinkles,
Girls, yes.
nourishing your skin,
Yeah.
and tightening your skin.
Yes.
So I must say, like, this is the best product for the Kathy organic
I
Marula
have-
one.
I talked to one of my other client as well. She said like she's really happy with the Marula serum.
Yeah,
And-
I have, sorry to bother you.
Yeah, it's okay.
I have so many fine lines on my forehead as well. I was using since
This
this one
one?
for last 2 years.
Wow.
No need for Botox.
That's so good. See, it is a natural Botox. And if you,
Yes, it
and
is.
here is a lovely customer who is giving the feedback about their fine lines, and
Yeah.
it
is really
reduces.
good. Yeah, it is really
that's
good.
so good to hear. Thank you so much. And any other popular product in your clinic?
It's the Ultra Skin Lightening for the young children.
Right.
They prefer this one.
Right.
They get the result after acne marks.
Oh,
and
yes.
It's really good result for pigmentation as well.
Yes.
And dark like elbows and dark
Yes.
underarms,
Yes.
knees. Like
Yeah.
the young girls, they're gonna be prefer this.
Yeah,
it's really very good
nice.
product.
Yeah. So do you get a clients those who are like into teen acne and they got
Yes,
really good
they
results
got
with that?
very good results. Yeah.
Okay.
Sometimes we just requested to them, can you give me the pictures?
Pictures, yeah.
But for clients without we can't take the picture, but we saw the results in our eyes. Like we have do so many facials as well, add on with the high frequency machine, and aftercare they are using this ultra skin lightening, and it's gonna be amazing results.
That's so good. So good to hear that. Yeah, because we can't take the photos of everybody without the consent, and consent is the key. And definitely, because you have seen them,
we
as
saw
a
them,
start.
we trust them, the products, right?
That's so good. Thank you for sharing, and I'm really happy. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Do you have any story to share of your client about the product? And like how they started, and they have any concern before, or they
Actually,
I'm going to share any story.
Yeah, I'm gonna tell you. One of my clients, she's from Fiji. She come and she said, I heard about Kathy Organic products. Do you have that one?
Yeah.
I said, yes, there is it. She said, can I buy the cream? I said, yes, of course you can.
Yeah.
So what's like my duty to ask her concern? What's your concern about that? She said, I have pigmentation, I have a fine lines, I want tightening skin. I said, then you can use the Kathy Ultra Skin Lightening daytime, and Marula serum you can use at nighttime. Yeah. She said, are you sure? I said, yes. And she said, if I like it, can you courier the product? Yeah. I said, definitely I will.
Yeah.
And then she used that cream. She's just coming for like 2 months for holidays. Yeah. When she go back to Fiji, she took like 4 Ultra Skin Lightening and 4 Marula serums.
Wow.
Okay? And after that, till now, I'm gonna courier to her every time. I'm gonna courier to her.
Yeah.
And one of my cousins who is in Australia, I talked to you.
Oh yes. I
just courier to her as well, and both love it. They said, just tell Tony to open another one branch for Kathy Organic in Fiji and Australia as well.
I would love to. I wish. Definitely. We have one of our client in Suva.
Okay.
So
she's from Nandi. So I don't know how much distance between Suva and Nandi.
So we need to find some stockist in Nandi now.
Of course.
That's so good. Thank you so much, Gurjeet, for sharing such a lovely feedback about the product and sharing the story itself. Okay. Now, my next question is about your location. Can you tell us about your location to our lovely audience, where they can find you?
Yeah. My salon name is Pure Beauty and Hair Salon, 301 L Botany Road, Golfsland, Auckland.
Nice.
Thank
you. Okay, Gurjeet, before we just end, so I want to ask you one question. Do you have any booking system?
Yes, we have our website as well. www.puresaloon.co.nz.
Right.
And you can, if you want, you can book by online as well. You can book by phone as well, or you can go to our website and make a booking as well.
Nice. That's easy.
Yes.
So you take walk-ins?
Yes, sometimes. Usually, mostly Monday we have lots of walking.
Yeah.
We open on Monday, Tuesday we are closed.
Yeah.
From Wednesday to Monday we are open 10 to 6. But Thursday, Friday we open at 10 to 7 late night.
Nice.
And lots of walking clients we take.
Okay. Awesome. Thank you so much for sharing that, and I hope that will help our lovely audience to find you really easily. And definitely, if they are looking for their skincare need, hair care need, that's the Gurjeet in Pure Beauty and Hair Salon located in Watney. Come and see her.
Thank you.
Okay, my last question, which I always ask my lovely clients about beauty tips. So, would you like to share any beauty tips with our lovely audience?
Always be positive.
That's
either you are busy or not, but you always be positive with your business.
Yeah.
Always be happy and welcoming to all the clients.
Yeah.
And just carry on with your job, with your work and your staff. That's it.
Okay. Any skincare tip would you like to share?
Skincare. For skincare, you have to take care night
Yes.
routine and day routine.
Absolutely.
And don't forget the sunscreen,
Absolutely.
which is more important in New Zealand. So morning routine and the night routine, you can continue with that.
Yeah.
But don't forget the sunscreen in
Very
every
important.
4 hours.
Yes,
Yeah,
it
every
is.
4
It is
hours.
really important. So yeah, remember to put your sunblock on, which is really important in New Zealand and Australia,
Yeah.
because the UVA and UVB radiations are really high. So take these lovely tips and make sure to stay positive. Thank you, Kuljit ji, for your time today.
Thank you so
and
much,
for
Tony. Thanks a lot.
giving us the insight of your business and about your story and about the products. It was so good,
Thank
good
you.
to work
Thank
with you.
Tony.
And thank you to our lovely audience as well. And I hope that it will help you to know more about Pure Hair and Beauty salon services and skincare products too. So thank you. Stay positive, stay beautiful. This is Tony and Kuljit from Pure Hair and Beauty Salon in Botany. Bye-bye.
Bye.